Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to make money online. But before you can start earning, there's a major decision to make. Should you launch a blog or start a YouTube channel? Both platforms can bring in serious affiliate revenue, but they operate in completely different ways. In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed, side-by-side comparison: costs, trust building, ease of use, growth potential, and long-term income possibilities. And if you decide blogging is the right path, I'll show you how Verpex can help you get online fast with reliable hosting and domain services built for creators like you. Let's dive in. Cost to start: which is cheaper? Let's talk money first. Starting a YouTube channel seems free, but once you add up the cost of a decent camera, microphone, lighting, and editing software, it adds up fast. Even if you use your smartphone, upgrading gear becomes necessary as your audience grows. Now compare that to blogging. All you really need is a domain name and reliable web hosting. And here's where Verpex comes in. They offer super affordable hosting plans, even WordPress optimized hosting, with domains starting at just a few bucks. No hidden fees, just clean, beginner-friendly service. Want to try blogging? Verpex.com is the best place to start. Winner for budget: blogging. Building trust: face versus voice versus writing. Next, let's talk about credibility. On YouTube, viewers get to see your face, hear your voice, and watch how you interact with the product or service you're promoting. That visual and vocal connection builds trust quickly. In fact, many affiliate marketers report higher conversion rates on YouTube because the audience feels a more personal connection. Blogging builds trust differently. You don't have a visual presence, so you rely on how well you communicate through writing and visuals. Custom images and transparent reviews help, but you can take it even further by embedding YouTube videos into your blog. That way, you offer the best of both worlds: visual proof and detailed content. And if your blog is hosted on a fast, secure platform like Verpex, your site loads quickly, doesn't crash, and gives visitors a more professional and trustworthy experience. This matters, especially when someone is about to click an affiliate link. YouTube builds faster trust, but a well-built blog with rich content and video can match or exceed it over time. Income stability and risk. Here's something not enough people talk about: platform risk. YouTube's algorithm is always changing. You could lose visibility if your content no longer aligns with their trends or policy updates. In some cases, entire channels have been demonetized overnight. Blogs offer more stability. You own the platform. You control the content. And with a reputable host like Verpex, you're not at the mercy of algorithm shifts. You decide what's published, and you can back up and migrate your content whenever you want. Verdict: blogs give you more long-term control and independence. Growth potential: which scales faster? YouTube videos can go viral overnight, especially with good titles and thumbnails. Blog posts, meanwhile, rely heavily on SEO, backlinks, and consistent publishing to rank in search engines. But here's the twist: blogs have long-term compounding potential. A well-ranked blog post can generate clicks for years, passively, especially if it's hosted on a fast and reliable server like Verpex, which helps with better loading speed and SEO. Winner for fast growth: YouTube. Winner for long-term stability: blogging, especially with Verpex. What should you choose? If you're a talker, enjoy visuals, or love being on camera, YouTube might be your path. But if you're a better writer, more analytical, and love SEO or building something scalable, blogging could be the goldmine you're looking for. Or why not combine both? Create YouTube videos and embed them in SEO-rich blog posts hosted on Verpex, giving you the best of both worlds. So, are you Team YouTube or Team Blog? Or both? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey with a blog, check out verpex.com for super affordable hosting and domains. It's fast, secure, beginner-friendly, and built for creators like you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content like this.